Zoho Cliq is a great team collaboration tool where your team can chat, make calls, set up meetings, and a lot more. It is already integrated with many other Zoho apps, so that's what we're going to cover in this video. But first, let me show you a few basic things about Cliq. This is the home screen, and we're currently on the Chats tab. On this panel, you will find all your chats. The first one is a channel used by the sales team. And the second one is a direct chat that I started with a user. To start a new chat, you can click on this plus button. The third option that I didn't mention before is group conversation. If you create a group conversation, you can include several users, and the chat will be very similar to the direct message chat, but for multiple users. The difference between group chats and channels is that channels have some extra features that groups don't have. For example, you can use channels to send information to users without letting them respond to the messages, or they can respond in threads that we will cover later in this course. On the Channels tab, you will find any public channels created by your organization, as well as any channels created by you. Let's create one. Click on the plus button. We're going to select Organization. The name is Invoices. If we click on Advanced Configurations, we can find many options to configure this channel. We're going to save it. And now click on Create Channel. The channel has been created and we're going to use it later. All right, now let's go over some of the out-of-the-box integrations. The first one is WorkDrive. If you click on the attachments icon on a chat, you will see the option Share from WorkDrive. Clicking on it opens this WorkDrive window. Let's select the file and click on Pick. Now we have to configure the access. In this case, I'm going to leave it on Personal and click on Apply. Finally, click on Share. The WorkDrive file has been shared in this chat. On the left, we have the Calendar tab. This is your regular Zoho Calendar. Let's create an event. It will be a sales meeting, and it is going to be online. Creating an event from this calendar allows us to assign the event to a conversation. Let's click on Conversation, and we're going to select the sales team channel. All right, let's create this event. The event has been created, and the information will be posted on the sales team channel. Let's close this, and click on Notes on the left panel. This is an integration with Zoho Notebook. All your notes will be listed here. If you take meeting notes during your Cliq meetings, the notes will be here. On this tab, I have the CRM open. As you can see on the bottom left of the screen, we can also access our Zoho Cliq chats. All your chats will be on the Chats tab. If you click on any of them, it will open it on the side. And you can open multiple chats simultaneously. In Zoho Desk, we can also see the same chat bar. And it is available in Zoho Project as well. There are many other Zoho apps that have the chat bar integrated, but if you don't like this feature, you can turn it off. To do it, go to Cliq, click on your profile picture, and then on Profile and Settings. Under General, you will find this tab called Click Across Zoho Apps. If you turn off this first setting, the bar won't be showing up on the other Zoho apps. Okay, let's close this. And on this tab, I have Zoho Books open. The chat bar is also present here. And there are other integrations available that we will set up. So let's click on Settings. And then on Zoho Apps. Now find Zoho Cliq and click on Show Details. The integration is already active, but one of the features is not enabled yet. This feature will send notifications to Zoho Cliq based on actions that happen on books, like when a client pays for an invoice. Let's enable it. And here we're going to select the channel that we created earlier, Invoices, and connect. Now the channel Invoices will receive some message notifications from Zoho Books. All right, let's close the settings. And the last thing I want to show you is the record chat. So let's open a new record. In this case, an invoice. On the right, we have this click icon that allows us to create a chat linked to this specific record. In this case, it is an invoice, but it will work with other records like sales orders or expenses. I'm going to change the name, add participants, and click on Create. A new group chat has been created and linked to this record.